Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And today I want to talk about why you should be really considering taking a look at stocking up on some semiconductor stocks. Now, whether you're already an investor in semiconductor stocks, I have two companies that I'm really excited about in the coming future, and I plan to add more shares of one of these companies and go into buying another company. And I'm gonna pour some serious money into these companies all the way up until 2024, barring some kind of upset, something that messes everything up. But let me give you a little bit of history of why I come up with this and the reasons why. Now, there's a video that's on YouTube, and I'll link it in the description at the in my description box. I seen the video, I think it was in March, and like they re-uploaded the video, and the video talks about a company called ASML, right? And I've mentioned ASML in other videos, especially my semiconductor video I just recently posted. You can check that out in the description box as well. I'll leave the link to that. ASML, which basically counts, the acronym stands for Advanced, let me get this right, Advanced Semiconductor Materials Lithography, right? Okay. Now, what ASML is, it's a company based in the Netherlands, right? These people, and it's amazing how they build these chips. All of the next gen chips and the high order chips where like they got the high technology, like the ones that America is trying to stop China from getting, is made by this company, ASML. Now, a little bit about ASML real quick, and it's just some amazing facts. They make what's called these EUV lithography machines. Now, the lithography machine, these EUV lithography machines, are machines that are the ones that make these high-tech chips, the chips that you find in Apple, iPhones. Tesla's a customer of these type of chips, and a lot of the military, like the F-35 fighter planes and stuff, they have these type of chips in it. ASML has the monopoly, meaning they're the only company with this technology. The technology that these people have is so advanced, they said it would take decades for anybody else to even catch up with them, you know, and even be in contention with them. So these guys got the whole thing sewn up. Now, these machines that they make, these lithography machines, right? Stats say they're as big as a city transit bus, which is huge. And the logistics of breaking these machines down and shipping them all over to get them to places is a chore in itself. It takes multiple planes and multiple truckloads to even get just one machine somewhere. So it could be, you know, eventually a logistical nightmare for some people. But the reason why I brought that up is because a lot of people cannot afford this machine. This machine costs upwards to $200 million. That's bigger than a lot of people's market caps. And these machines are one of the machines that, you know, China and Russia are trying to get. And ASML deals with the United States. They have a partnership with the United States at present, which is one of the reasons why I made this video, where they're banned from giving those countries this technology just for geopolitical reasons. Now, like I said, the company's based in the Netherlands, but they have a smaller company based in California, I guess through the partnership. What's cool about it is they only have 5 customers. The whole company has 5 customers, and these customers are as follows. They're Micron, a company called Sky Hynix. Then we have the American companies. Well, most of them American companies. We have Samsung, which is not an American company. We have Intel, which is an American company, and we have Taiwan Semiconductor. Now, those 3, Samsung, Intel, and Taiwan Semiconductor, right? They are 84% of the customer. They buy 84% of these machines. So they're buying multiple machines, right? They have the money. Now check this out. which is 84%, like we said, right? Also, ASML is smart. They've made Samsung, Intel, and Taiwan Semiconductor all partners, meaning they gave them a percentage of the business. So now, the year 2024, reason why I brought that up is because in Arizona, and I think in Texas, they're doing different parts where like they because ASML is the monopoly, they want to put a lot of their different components in different places and different factories in case something happens in the Netherlands or something happens with Taiwan Semiconductor. But Taiwan Semiconductor is their biggest customer. Now, a few years ago, Taiwan Semiconductor would go up and down in the stock, and then all of a sudden it just took off. The reason why it took off was basically because ASML. And they deal with ASML, and they were the first. Taiwan Semiconductor, you heard it for here, was the first to start bringing this technology out. And it took off. Their capital gains, everything just took off. And now, Taiwan Semiconductor is like out there. But see, the companies that I want to talk about today, one is Taiwan Semiconductor. The other one's Intel, right? I don't know why I'm pointing. Let me break these companies down real quick and why I'm putting a lot of money into these companies. And it has a lot to do with the potential, but they said they're building plants. One plant they're building in Arizona, right? And they got a sub plant dealing with some components or something in Texas. And they got a few other places they're going to be doing this in the United States. Now, we're going to go with Taiwan Semiconductor first. I got these notes because I got a lot of stuff written all around on my boards. The reason why I say Taiwan Semiconductor, like I said, they're very, very big with ASML, this company ASML, right? In their partnership. The stock right now is trading at $80 a share, right? Now it's Labor Day, so I mean the market's closed, but like if you look on there, it's trading at $80.90, right? As a pause in the market. With a 52-week range, check this out, of $73. And that's the low. And $145 for the high. So it's an excellent time to jump into it. But check it out. PE ratio is trading at 17 times earnings, right? Earnings per share, $4.82, right? Annual dividend / yield, $1.86. And the dividend is $2.30. I mean, I'm saying $2. 2.3% for the dividend, right? Now, that's Taiwan Semiconductor. Intel. If you've been keeping up with the market, Intel had a 52-week low. It's been dropping. Months ago, it was in the 50s. Now it then fell, right? Because of all the economic situations. The reports came out with the earnings. But you gotta remember, they just passed the chip bill, right? So I'll be buying heavily into Intel. Now, Intel, right now, $31.22, right? It's off its low. 52-week range, low was $31, 22 cents over, right? The high was $56. Now, this is the thing. Remember, this is a tech company. PE is 6.9, which is almost 7. So a 7 PE for a tech company, that's good. At a 52-week low, earnings per share, $4.66, right? Annual dividend / yield, $1.46 per share at 4.68%, right? Now, these machines, the biggest companies, Samsung, Intel, Taiwan Semiconductor, they're poised for big things. This thing's supposed to be fully operational in 2024. Now, you know, they just signed the money for the CHIP Act, giving everybody this money to try to start help these projects build in America. America trying to have where they don't have to rely on nobody else for making chips, and they have a partnership with ASML. ASML willing to share the technology. This is going to be huge. Now, A lot of people are in the market and looking for something to jump into. Me, myself, now I'm not advising you. I just want you to open your eyes to some things and see, how you feel about it. But this might be a very good opportunity for Intel and Taiwan Semi. Now, I think, in my opinion, in 2024, stocks will be generally higher than they are right now, right? We'll be coming out of the recession. Everything is down right now. So it's the excellent opportunity to jump in it. The door might not be this wide no more for a long time. And I'm trying to step right in it. Now, I think 2024 and beyond, people are going to wish these stocks were still at this price. These are going to be runaway trains. And we're going to be like, man, we should have jumped on them. So I'm definitely going to be looking into them. And I wanted to talk about it. Now, ASML has its own stock too, if you want to jump in that, because they'll always be in demand. Because some of the information, some of the stuff they had will only be exclusive in their Netherlands plant. It will not be taken out because, you're not going to give all your information, but you still want to keep some work and some value to yourself the way you need it. But I'm telling you, I'm excited about this. I always was big on Intel because, all tech giants, Intel's a big tech giant. I mean, they're down now because I think they got lazy. But I mean, it's still tech. They still produce chips. They still chip manufacturers, and they're going to be on it. But as far as that, now, getting back into something I spoke about earlier, and I had in other videos. Now, check it out. Now, they have this ban on giving stuff to China and Russia chip-wise. China's been trying to get this technology from ASML, right? And now they partner. I mean, they have been partnering, but I mean, China's been banned from trying to get these machines. But Taiwan Semiconductor, right, is huge with ASML. And I think a lot of this is just my opinion, I think a lot of the tension, that's erupting is behind trying to get this technology. Because think about it. You got a big guy over here in the United States, they got the technology, and you're telling everybody else don't give it to you, you're going to feel a certain type of way. Now, you got little brother over here, Taiwan, and you like, y'all was part of us anyway. We're going to bring y'all back home. And they're like, nah, we ain't going home. But they got backing. And, they're like, look, if we going to get something, we might get it from them. So it's kind of like, not saying it would spark tension, but I think a lot of, especially when they did that act, a lot of ramifications can come from this with a conflict between Taiwan and China. But yeah, man, I just wanted to chime in a little bit, like I always do, drop some knowledge, give you something to think about during this Labor Day weekend. Tomorrow I'm gonna be jumping in feet first in some Intel and Taiwan Semi. I might buy a few shares, but yeah, guys, I mean, I appreciate your comments that you guys been dropping. Man, thank you so much, man. You guys have been really supportive of the channel. The subscription count is growing. Man, I can't even ask for a better Labor Day weekend, man. I appreciate everything you guys have been doing. Keep up the good work, man. Let's continue growing. You got any topics or any stocks you want me to cover or any type of views that you think, will make a good video? Man, I'm open to it. Talk to me. Let me know. But, yeah, I won't hold you guys too long. But, man, I appreciate you, as always, spending the time with me. You guys keep investing, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.